I had to replace the valve cover because the oil dipstick broke, and this was inside. So we got some valve covers, really expensive ones that I didn't buy. So I told Kevin, I was like, we will connect one by one to see which one's gonna give me power. He keeps on telling me he needs a fusible, whatever the hell it is.
Fusible link? Not because do we have the thing that was right there? If you still have that, we're good. We can use that. If you threw that away, then we're Let me just fix this.
You can't do nothing in there.
Just shut up and let me fix it.
Lay down in there like last time and just pretend you did something. Okay.
I'm over here working. He's over there taking 2 days to put a valve cover on.
Literally started.
I could have fabricated a brand new valve cover and had it on by the time you get there.
I'm literally just putting this thing back. Mira, primo. No, primo. This is probably like $1,000, and that adds 50 horsepower.
What?
This
$1,000? They're not $1,000 for those. Those are very just basic generic joints, dude. Who even made them? Amazon or those are f***ing
being sarcastic, Jesus. You know what? I need a beer. I need a beer. We upgraded, guys. Yep. That way I don't have to keep on going in. What you all want? Dos Equis, Tres Jalisco. Everybody loves these, but they're ass. My favorite. No. Ooh. Hell no.
There you go.
Yep, I'm a changed man as a matter of fact. Y'all think I was gonna get it there? David's probably gonna be the first one to say, finally, for once, since everybody says I don't buy anything, I bought spark plugs. Oh, spark plugs in, what are they called? Wires. If you haven't changed spark plugs on your vehicle, ask somebody else because I don't know what I'm saying. Nah, just kidding. Just get a, I think it's a 5/8. Oh, beautiful black. Let me see, what was that? 5/8? Cha-ching. You're supposed to torque them. But again, I don't know a mechanic that torques. Even the heads, when I do head studs, I never torque them. Just kidding. He's gonna lose it. He's gonna lose it. Oh, is that it? No. Is that one right there?
I know, but I'm trying to find out
Ah!
where they run to. Cause see these right here, these black things?
Say it. No,
those
no,
are
no.
fusible links.
Ah. Say it.
Say what?
Thanks, Alex, for not throwing it away.
Thanks for not throwing it away, Alex.
After I told
Jerk you off later, okay?
after I
Damn.
told you.
See this? Look right here.
That's literally, that's all
See
you
this
wanted.
right here? This is a fusible link. That's what that is.
Thanks,
These are a
Alex,
bunch
for
of
not throwing
fusible
that
links.
away.
This is f***ing beautiful right here.
I do. Thanks again.
Because I gotta get this piece of shit started.
What the hell? You can talk all you want about me, but you do not talk about this or this channel. You heard?
I heard, Alex.
Say daddy.
Not gonna do that.
I'm sorry, it's just...
In the truck? I don't see it in the truck.
What are you talking about?
The vape.
I have 3 freaking trucks,
Oh, Jesus.
which it's in the RAM in the middle center console.
I think he's stressing out because
Don't steal anything.
Because why is he asking to vape? He doesn't vape.
Yeah, he does. Well, so unfortunately, those valve covers did not. Well, they work, but I have to get an extender on those spark plugs or something.
Longer spark plug wire.
Yeah, longer spark plugs, wires, and you know, I'm not gonna do that. chances are we are still gonna have to replace those because we're gonna get shorties for this. What do you think, doggy? I like it. I don't know what the hell it is.
Yep, those look so this is the old distribution, power distribution, so I'm gonna redo it to run the power to this, and then I'm gonna run the power, because these are fusible links. I'm gonna run this to that new power one. I'm gonna run this. This will be my main power coming off the battery. I'm ready to go.
Go where? Are you sure?
Yeah, the seatbelt thing came on.
No!
I swear.
Alright.
I'll say it.
Go with it.
Hey,
Jesus
you
Christ.
lower
Oh yeah, the brake light's on.
No!
It's all, we got power.
Look at this. It's moving.
we have
It's
power.
Look, the battery's showing the
We got
percentage.
the brake light right here. The battery's showing that, but the turn, but we're not getting it to turn over here.
Hold on. Here, put this. I want to get excited too.
Oh,
There it goes.
That's how happy I got power.
Turkey. Who the fuck is that, bitch? Who's the man?
I'm
Who's the man? Who is the man, bitch? Who's the man?
I'm an engineer.
Here it is, here it is. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Kiss it, bitch. Go on, kiss it! Woo!
Hold on.
Don't fuck with me here. I'll figure that fucking shit out, dude, because I know what the fuck I'm doing here.
Fucking battery.
Yeah, we're
Okay,
good.
now we need air.
Now we need to hook up.
Let's hook up that computer real quick. I'll put that charger on it real quick.
You got it. I don't know if that's gonna work.
I will.
Alright, then we gotta do the fuel pump real quick.
Add the fuel pump real quick and then we'll. So excited.
Now we gotta figure out the fuel pump, but you gotta take another.
Dude, just bypass it like you did. Crank it right there.
Go, you done it so badass.
Oh yeah. Hold on, because I gotta get the fire extinguisher. I know they might be a fire.
Wait. There it goes, turn it on. It will not turn on now.
Why?
Because it's at the point where it ain't gonna turn on because the computer's not even hooked up.
The computer's over here.
Is it hooked up?
Yeah.
It won't turn on without it won't turn on now. You gotta do the computer, otherwise it won't. It wouldn't down because it's got gas. You can smell it. It's yeah, you can smell it. It's flooding. You can smell it.
oh yeah.
Stand over, you can smell it. It would turn over if it was able to with the computer. We gotta reflash that computer. It's good to go. You can smell the gas. Come over here and smell it.
Boys,
We did.
or y'all did
That
it.
was
I just recorded.
We know it's not gonna start, but the main thing we had to do was get it when we turned the key.
Yeah.
That was the main thing. That was the biggest hiccup we had. We got that work. We got that all.
You got it. Let's give you credit.
we got that all figured out, and then now what we'll do is we'll clean up the bay.
Yeah.
We'll put the battery where it needs to go. We'll clean up all the wire we have. We'll loom the wire, make it all pretty. Because now we know where everything's at.
No, it was great. Hey, we gotta give props to the engineer.
Onk, bro, onk. Onk went crazy.
Dude, hell
Figured
yeah.
it out.
He did, he really did. I was stuck on those other wires, but once he explained it, he was right. What's next is like Kevin said, we just have
The main thing is the vehicle anti-theft. You gotta take that off so the engine will start.
okay, then.
We know the fuel's getting there because we can smell it. And we know that I'll wire up the fuel pump. That's easy, just 2 wires. And then that's it, button everything up. once it's all buttoned up, we're good to go. We'll rehang the gas tank because the gas tank's on the floor right now. We're rehanging it. Rehang the gas tank. Everything else is working just fine. And then the other thing we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to figure out the dash for the dash because a lot of the stuff is working on the dash, but some of it's not. So we got to find out what those wires are for. Wire those up so that the dash works. Mainly the check engine light and all that shit. But we'll figure all that out later.
Alright guys, well, that was a wrap for today's videos, and stay tuned. We'll be racing forward.
We actually got it started, man. That's the best.
Pretty much, yeah. We
got it turning over with the key. That's all that matters.
Yeah, we didn't have to bypass it like he says. But either way, this is a good one, guys. See you next time.
Throw it away. Throw all this away.
Dude, last time that's what you told me. Like, I'm fucking telling you, dude. This is why I'm keeping this.